The erosion control arena over the course of the last 20 or 25 years has grown exponentially. We're finding as engineers and designers the need not only to aesthetically please clients and projects, but also to, as stewards of our profession, to do it as environmentally friendly, if you will, as possible. So to do that, the incorporation of vegetation into engineered solutions has become more and more prominent. Because we don't want to have rock and concrete and asphalt, hard armor solutions, if you will. Vegetation has a limit as to how it can perform. Velocities typically, 5-6 feet per second is typically what we design with native vegetation. Being able to then increase a velocity upwards of 15, 16, 18 feet per second with the addition of the ScourStop system allows us to get away from that concrete rock type protection scheme and incorporate more of a green solution. The new bullet design will really enhance the ScourStop system by allowing it to adhere as tightly as possible to the soil underlay. We need to have a firm, uniform coverage over whatever surface we're trying to protect, and the bullets, the new bullet design, will be instrumental in holding that panel down to the underlying soil. The new design of this anchor will allow them to set easily and then hold at very high load so that when the flow comes over the ScourStop transition mat, it holds the mat in place and doesn't allow it to lift up. What we're doing with the anchor testing is installing the anchors in the different combinations of anchors that we have available in a very controlled environment. So the only variable that we have in this test program is the specific anchor itself. We'll run a set of tests in the test apparatus that we have out in the laboratory, analyze those results, and see how well that anchor did. But really it's the end goal that's important. If an engineer or a designer is going to use some of these engineered products on their plans and in their projects, they have to be sure that they're going to work. With the engineered product market, if you have one failure, you've given that entire product segment a black eye, and it's very difficult to recover from that. So the people and the entities, in my opinion, that are most successful are the ones that have the ability and the foresight to put the resources into testing, research, development, design, so that it's not just a mom and pop group out of somebody's garage that says, well, it looks like this other product, it's going to work just fine. Being able to have time and resources made available in a laboratory environment is paramount to be able to then claim success in the field, so that we're able to translate what we think will happen to what we'll know will happen. And having hard data and hard engineering behind that is, in my opinion, what makes a success story.